How to buy AIPUMP token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Not to be able to buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token, and also check their website too, and check their Telegram channel they included in their X account. Now this token, it's available on gate.io. As you can see, you can buy it from there. Just open your account and type how much you want to buy of this token. For example, you want to buy 10,000 or 1 million, whatever, and after that you can click on buy. Or if you want to buy it with your wallet, just go and copy this Solana token address. As you can see, they have also a token address under the base network. Now select one of these. For example, if you want to select this Solana network, just click here to copy it. Open your Phantom wallet or any wallet that you use. Just click on swap. Make sure you have Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, so this is it. Now click on it and here type how much you want to buy. And this is, as you can see, also available because this token, it's not available in yet on the multiple exchange platforms or in wallets. So as you can see, I see that the only exchange platform that this token available are in the gate.io. So if we can try the base network, just copy the token address and open your Bitget wallet, for example. Now after that, select the base network from here. As you can see, now click on this plus icon. Now paste the token address. As you can see, so this is our token. Just click on plus and we will try to buy it on a Bitget wallet. So after that, search for the token and now just scroll down. As you can see, this is it. Just click on it. This token is not listed yet, as you can see. Just click on swap and here switch and select the token that you want to buy, for example USDC. Make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet before going and buy this token. Just type here how much you want to buy and wait a few seconds. As you can see, no corresponding liquidity pool. Please select a different token. So as you can see, this token is not available yet in the wallets, so it's available only on gate.io. So go to gate.io and buy it from there. Just find your account with some dollars, and after that you can buy this token. So this is how to buy the Gate or AIPUMP token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.